Read in the name of your Lord who created a man out of a tiny creature, then planes. Read, it commands the reader, for your Lord is most bountiful. Why is he most bountiful? What great gift did he give you? For he taught man the use of the pen, and through it taught him what he otherwise could not know.
Peace, mercy and blessings of Allah be upon you, upon me and upon all of us. My dear viewers, learners and readers, this is fourth clip. In this clip, I will explain the reading of separate letters, first in different sound. So we are seeing above these letters this sign. It is called Fatha. It is called Fatha. In Hindi Urdu we say Zabar. It is like in Hindi A. We cannot read this sign as a E or as a U. Alif Fatha A, Ba Fatha Ba, Ta Fatha Ta, Sa Fatha Sa, Jim Fatha Ja, Ha Fatha Ha, Kha Fatha Kha, Dal Fatha Da, Zal Fatha Za, Ra Fatha Ra, Za Fatha Za, Sin Fatha Sa, Shin Fatha Sha, Sad Fatha Sa, Dad Fatha Ba, Ta Fatha Ta, La Fatha La, Ain Fatha A, Ghain Fatha Gha, Fa Fatha Fa, Qaf Fatha Qa, Kaf Fatha Ka, Lam Fatha La, Mim Fatha Ma, Nun Fatha Na, Waw Fatha Wa, Ha Fatha Ha, Hamza Fatha A, Ya Fatha Ya, Ya Fatha Ya, A Ba Ta Sa Ja Ha Kha Da Za Ra Za Sa Sha Sa Da Ta Za A Gha Fa Qa Ka La Ma Na Wa Ha A Ya Ya. This sign is called in Arabic Dhamma, and in Urdu Hindi, in our language, Pesh. This sign like U in Hindi. Alif Dhamma U, Ba Dhamma Bu, Ta Dhamma Tu, Sa Dhamma Su, Jim Dhamma Ju, Ha Dhamma Hu, Kha Dhamma Khu, Dal Dhamma Du, Zal Dhamma Zu, Ra Dhamma Ru, Za Dhamma Zu, Sin Dhamma Su, Shin Dhamma Shu, Sad Dhamma Su. So like that, now we can read fast after spelling Du, Tu, Zu, U, Gu, Fu, Qu, Ku, Lu, Mu, Nu, Wu, Hu, U, Yu, Yu. So when we are seeing this sign, so we will read the sound of U. We cannot read A or E. Clear? This sign is same like first sign Fatha, but the difference is we are seeing this sign down, down, and Fatha we have seen above the letter. It is like Choti E in Hindi. It is Alif Kasra E, Ba Kasra B, Ta Kasra Ti, Sa Kasra Si, Jim Kasra Ji, Ha Kasra Hi, Kha Kasra Khi, Dal Kasra Di, Zal Kasra Zi, Ra Kasra Ri, Za Kasra Zi, Sin Kasra Si, Shin Kasra Shi, Sad Kasra Si, Dad Kasra Di, Ta Kasra Ti, Za Kasra Di, Ain Kasra I, Ghain Kasra Ghi, Fa Kasra Fi, Qaf Kasra Qi, Kaf Kasra Ki, Lam Kasra Li, Mim Kasra Mi, Nun Kasra Ni, Waw Kasra Vi, Ha Kasra Hi, Hamza Kasra I, Ya Kasra Yi, Ya Kasra Yi. Now please read. Harakat means following single or double signs. So single sign, first one, it is called Fatha. Double sign, second one, it is called Fathatain. The third sign is Dhamma, single sign, and double sign Dhammatain. In Urdu Hindi, Zabar, do Zabar, ek pesh, do pesh, and then Kasra and Kasratain. Zer, do Zer. Fatha, and after that Fatha sign, like A in Hindi. Dhamma, like U in Hindi. And Kasra, like I in Hindi. These called in Hindi Matra. Clear? Please don't leave these clips without doing practice. Watch carefully, listen carefully, copy carefully, and practice carefully, please. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Goodbye. Have a nice day.